How to fix Instagram can't switch account. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram can't switch account. So to fix Instagram's account switching issue, you can start by checking for active uploads or post stocks in your drafts. Just open your Instagram app, tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the video icon from your home page, then go to drafts folder and delete any glitched posts. Now the next thing what you can do is just turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds, then switch it back to your normal connection and attempt to switch accounts. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your device's settings, then scroll down to general and then go to iPhone storage. Now find Instagram from the list, tap on it, tap upload app, and then immediately reinstall it. This deletes temporary files without removing your account data. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.